Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarayu. Today's topic is dichotomies. In software testing methodology, it refers to the divisions for a concept in positive case and negative case is known as dichotomies. In STM, it refers to pairs of opposite or contrasting concepts used to clearly understand. The process of understanding the concept in clear way, either it is in positive way or negative way. Both together studying process is known as dichotomies. It is the process of division into two mutually exclusive parts. Common dichotomies in software testing methodology we use like testing versus opposite of testing is debugging. Here identifying the mistakes and correcting the mistakes. Verification and validation concept. These are opposite concepts. Static testing versus dynamic testing. Manual testing. This testing is done with human beings. Automated testing, it is done with machines or with tools, AI tools. Black box testing and white box testing. Functional testing and non-functional testing. These are the dichotomies concept we use in software testing methodology. Testing is a process of finding the mistakes or errors or defects, and the process we use some steps for finding the defects, debugging, fixing the defects, recorrecting or fixing the corrective mistake place with corrective coding line or testing strategy. Verification versus validation. Verification is the process of checking the process. This is the process of checking the process is right product or not. Is that process is suitable for the correct project purpose, product purpose, right or wrong. The process of checking is known as validation. Static testing, it is the process of taking reviews for that software after testing process with no execution is known as static testing. Dynamic testing is opposite for static testing. It is the process of executing the code for finding defects, errors. Manual testing, it is the process of human executed tests. Automated is by tools based testing. In DevOps we use AI tools like that, it is used for automated testing. Black box testing is the process of testing methodology without using internal code. It is the external code process. White box testing is the internal code process. Black box testing is used for testing the process similar to gray code. Functional testing versus non-functional testing. Functional process is known as a process for testing the system process. What the system does is known as a functional testing. Non-functional is how the task or system performs is known as this is the process testing. This is the system work testing is known as the functional and non-functional testing cases. These are the concepts of dichotomies in software testing methodology for pairs or opposite concepts of concepts. For understanding testing strategies or methods, what we are approaching in software testing methodology is known as dichotomies.